questions for you.
Yeah.
For each of them, don't take more than 1 minute to answer. First one is, what is your first opinion after you read this email?
I wouldn't send a volunteer to them without having more information on the project, and especially if I'm not knowing the project manager. Well, it's all about the cooperation, especially when I'm the coordinator. I need to know that the person on the other side is reliable. And of course I wouldn't send a volunteer to a project without knowing what the project is about.
This was first opinion. Okay, second question. What would be the first thing that you would do?
I would call the project.
Okay, and last question. Now in the role of the volunteer, the possibility that maybe after you would call and like that would get information from sending organization. Now in the role of the volunteer, what would you do if, for example, after that sending organization would ask you, okay, we have short notice and like that, maybe.
Like I've got the information about the project.
Mm-hmm. We will repeat again. In the role of volunteer with such opportunity, what would you do?
I've got the details of the project, and I know the 50 volunteers I could be sending. So I would know who or which volunteer would be good or would be interested in the project. So I would go and phone 10 maybe who would maybe be interested in the project, and then talk to them.
But now, if you would be a volunteer to get, if now you face a volunteer to get such information, if you would be a volunteer, what would you do as a volunteer?
I would take the chance.
You would.